Hi, welcome back. Today we're going to do some cod with lots of fresh flavors. And I have here about a pound of cod that I've cut into 1-inch pieces. I've got a pepper. It could be any kind of pepper, green, red, yellow, orange, whatever you have in your fridge. An onion, a small onion cut up, 2 cloves of garlic, and about half a pound of tomatoes. I also cut up some cilantro to season it with, a little teeny bit of jalapeno pepper, and a lime. So let's get started and preheat my pan. And the first thing we're going to do is put a little bit of olive oil in our pan. So just a little bit. And then we'll swirl that around. And we'll start cooking our onion. And we'll add the garlic to that. So we're just cooking at a medium temperature. We're not trying to brown this, we're just trying to soften the onion and the garlic. So we've been cooking this for about maybe 5 or 6 minutes, and now we're going to throw in some of the other ingredients. The tomatoes go in at this point, and the peppers. And I'm going to do a pinch of jalapeno pepper, maybe a pinch more. Okay, while the peppers are cooking and the tomatoes, I'm going to season up my cod. So I put about a quarter teaspoon of salt, maybe half a teaspoon of pepper, a dash of olive oil, and I'm just squeezing half a lime in there. So during the last few minutes of cooking this, I did raise the temperature just a tiny bit because we're going to be throwing the cold pieces of cod into our dish. So the temperature of our dish is going to go down. So I'm trying to get it very nice and hot, and then we'll put the cod in. So here it goes. And we're just going to nestle the cod in with the vegetables. And we're going to put our lid on our pan. And that's going to cook for about 10 minutes. So I'm putting the temperature back down to medium now. We're going to let it just cook for 10 minutes. Okay, it's been cooking for almost 10 minutes. And we're going to just look at our fish and make sure it's cooked. So it is white, it's tender to our touch, and it's flaky. So I'd say our dish is done. So we're going to turn off the heat, and I'm going to put a little bit of cilantro that I've chopped off on top. And doesn't that look yummy? So I'm going to plate it up and we'll try it. So we've got a very healthy lunch or dinner. Cod is low in fat, very high in protein. We've got fiber in the vegetables and the brown rice. And I'm just going to finish it off with a squeeze of lime juice. Ooh, my lime is kind of hard. Just a second. Okay, so a squeeze of lime juice and bon appetit!